What if I told you that combining two specific natural ingredients creates a chemical reaction so powerful it whitens grout that's been gray and black for years in a single application? And the science behind why this works is so fascinating that once you understand it, you'll never struggle with grout cleaning again. What if this combination costs less than $5 and outperforms every commercial grout cleaner on the market? I tested this chemical reaction on the most neglected grout I could find, and what happened next was genuinely extraordinary. Stay with me to the end, because the science and results here will blow your mind. Before I explain the fascinating chemistry and reveal the exact method, if your grout has been getting progressively darker despite cleaning attempts, hit that like button right now. And if you love understanding the science behind why things work, subscribe to The Big Sweep and turn on the notification bell. Because what I'm about to explain is genuinely remarkable chemistry. Let's get started. The chemistry of grout staining. Understanding why grout gets dark requires understanding what grout actually is. Grout is a porous, cementitious material with microscopic channels throughout its structure. These channels trap and hold compounds that cause discoloration through two distinct mechanisms. Mineral staining occurs when hard water deposits calcium and magnesium compounds in these channels, creating a mineral matrix that both discolors and provides a surface for other particles to adhere. Organic staining happens when soap residue, body oils, mold, and bacteria colonize these same channels, creating biological matter that darkens progressively over time. This is why most cleaning methods fail. Acidic cleaners address mineral deposits but don't effectively kill organic matter. Bleach attacks organic matter but doesn't dissolve mineral deposits. You're treating one problem while ignoring the other. The grout appears slightly improved but never truly white because the untreated component remains. Why citric acid and peroxide together? Here's the chemistry that makes this combination extraordinary. Citric acid is a natural organic acid that specifically targets and dissolves calcium and magnesium mineral deposits through a process called chelation. It essentially surrounds and captures mineral ions, pulling them out of the grout's porous structure. This addresses the mineral matrix that's been holding other staining compounds in place. At the same time, hydrogen peroxide undergoes decomposition in the presence of the slightly acidic environment created by citric acid, releasing atomic oxygen in a particularly reactive form. This highly reactive oxygen attacks organic matter, including mold, bacteria, and soap scum, at a molecular level far more aggressively than hydrogen peroxide alone achieves in neutral conditions. The citric acid essentially activates and accelerates the peroxide's cleaning action while simultaneously addressing mineral deposits independently. This is a genuine synergistic reaction, where both compounds perform better together than either does alone, targeting both staining mechanisms simultaneously in a way that neither commercial bleach-based cleaners nor natural alternatives typically achieve. The exact method. Here's the precise application. Dissolve 2 tablespoons of citric acid powder in ½ cup of warm water. Add ½ cup of 3% hydrogen peroxide to this citric acid solution. The mixture will begin a subtle reaction immediately. Apply this solution generously to grout lines using an old toothbrush, ensuring thorough penetration into the porous grout surface. Allow to sit for 20 to 30 minutes for moderate staining or up to an hour for severe discoloration. The chemical reaction continues working throughout this dwell time. Scrub gently with the toothbrush and wipe clean with a damp cloth. Rinse thoroughly. The jaw-dropping results. I applied this combination to my worst bathroom grout, the areas that had been almost black for years. After 30 minutes of dwell time and gentle scrubbing, I wiped the solution away and couldn't believe what I was looking at. The grout had lightened dramatically, closer to its original white than anything I'd achieved in years of cleaning attempts. I did a second application on the most severely stained areas. After this treatment, the improvement was extraordinary. A near-complete restoration of original color that I genuinely believed was impossible. Maintenance going forward. To prevent this severe buildup from recurring, monthly application of the citric acid and peroxide solution for just 5 minutes prevents mineral and organic matter from penetrating deeply enough to cause permanent-looking discoloration. There you have it. Citric acid and hydrogen peroxide create the ultimate grout whitening reaction by simultaneously dissolving mineral deposits and oxidizing organic matter, the dual mechanism approach that single ingredient methods can never achieve. If this science just solved your permanent grout problem, smash that like button. Subscribe and ring the notification bell for more chemistry-backed cleaning revelations. Share with anyone who's given up on white grout. Comment if you're mixing this solution today. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. I'll see you next time. Until then, understand the chemistry, target both staining mechanisms, and restore grout that looked permanently beyond saving.